Capricorn, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can also watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Capricorn. And please watch until the end of the video to support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of June. Capricorn, please. Okay. Merong bagong project kayong sisimulan. Exciting news na mangyayari sa inyo. Okay. Merong pag-uusap, merong planning. You've done a good job if you are working in a company, Capricorn. Okay. You have done a successful project or natapos nyo yung isang task or proyekto na binigay sa inyo and naging matagumpay ito. Napansin ito ng mga kasamahan mo sa trabaho or mga boss. Okay. And ngayon pinag-uusapan, merong discussion or meeting for some of you with higher management. Okay. Yung mga taong may matataas na ranggo. Okay. Mga department heads. Merong planning. Yeah. Kasi meron kayong nagawang something successful at nakakatulong sa kumpanya. Okay? Merong mga inggit. Okay? Merong hindi pagkakasundo na mangyayari. Maybe sa mga katrabaho ninyo. Iba-iba yung opinion. Merong competition na nangyayari because of the success na ginawa ninyo. You've been victorious sa trabaho mo. Siguro may na-open ka na kontrata or merong bagong kontrata na dumating sa inyo, Capricorn. Okay. May lumabas sa balita that you will be promoted. But despite of the competition, okay, yung mga taong hindi happy sa achievements ninyo or accomplishments, merong wish fulfillment sa part ninyo and pride. Okay? You feel that this is where you belong. Okay? Merong sense of fulfillment. Merong travel na mangyayari. Okay? Maybe you've got this promotion. Okay? Bigger salary. Merong offer sa'yo na magbiyahe. Buong pamilya, maybe bakasyon. Okay? You will be treating your family. You've been very victorious, Capricorn. Determinado ka na umunlad ang buhay ninyo. Okay? There's a lot of things in your mind, Capricorn. Marami kayong gustong bilhin, marami kayong gustong plano. Okay, meron kayong mga options or pagpipilian. Parang yung mga kahirapan mo ngayon is paid off na, okay? Para bang yung mga obligasyon mo natapos mo ng maayos, successfully. For some of you, you are thinking of going abroad. So, pumipili kayo ngayon or iniisip ninyo kung ano yung magandang gawin. Be wise, Capricorn, sa mga choices and decisions na gagawin. And at the same time, do not procrastinate. Okay? Meron kang tinitingnan na mga options, Capricorn. May mga pag-aaralan kang mga sitwasyon kung ano pa yung pwede ninyong gawin. Okay? For some of you, merong mag-o-offer Maybe this is a proposal, okay? Merong may gustong makipag-partner sa inyo. Kung sa negosyo, makipag-join venture, okay? Joint venture. Meron din gustong makipag-ayos. Okay. You've been thinking about this, Capricorn. Okay. Maybe you are thinking about this person. Okay. Yung pagiging malapit niya sa inyo. Parang hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin. Maybe merong restriction doon. And this person is very aggressive. Okay. Very attracted yung taong ito sa inyo, Capricorn. Okay. Maybe this person is rushing you to do something. Okay. Yung para sa inyo, it's not yet the right time. And pinag-iisipan ninyo to. Nagbibigay sa inyo ng stress. Okay. Maraming taong involved. Maybe maraming may gusto sa inyo, Capricorn, fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, meron ding Libra, okay? Scorpio, Pisces, and Cancer. Okay? Yung mga paghihirap ninyo, Capricorn, nagkaroon ng magandang resulta, okay? You've been victorious sa trabaho ninyo despite doon sa mga inggit, okay? Despite doon sa mga tao or kakompetensya ninyo, ikaw yung namamayagpag, okay? And some people, nagsispy, tinitingnan ko ano yung mga next move ninyo or kung ano yung gagawin. Pwede sa trabaho nyo to, sa business, okay? You are enjoying a lot of things right now, Capricorn, material things. Maybe you are also traveling, okay? Kung ano yung mga pangangailangan ninyo sa family, emotional or material needs, namimit, na ibibigay mo, na susuportahan, komportable ang pamumuhay ninyo, Capricorn. Meron lang kayong pinag-iisipan o nagbibigay ng stress sa inyo, okay? This is maybe a love concern, okay? Maraming may gusto sa inyo, hindi mo alam kung sinong pipiliin ninyo, Capricorn. Okay, so be careful of your choices and decisions. Pag-isipan ng mabuti, tingnan yung pros and cons. Okay, yung mga strength and weaknesses ng mga taong ito. So, this is for you, Capricorn. Kailangan maging maingat ka sa mga intentions nila. Pwede mo ring tingnan yon. Okay? Bottom of the deck, 8 of Pentacles, okay? Very hardworking kayo, no? Very focused kayo sa ginagawa ninyo. That's why you've been very successful and you are successful. Mayroon kayong pinag-iaralan na mga strategies or ideas, plans, bagong business, okay? Siguro tinitingnan nyo din kung saan pa kayo pwede mag-tour or magbakasyon. You are very driven, Capricorn. Hardworking person. Masisipag. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga additional messages para sa inyo. For Capricorn. Capricorn. Kangaroo. Unsettled times. Need to plan ahead. Okay, for some of you, may anxiety or stress. Parang you don't know kung ano yung next na mangyayari. Okay? So, kailangan nakapagplano kayo. Okay? Make some plans or strategies. to advance, how to advance, okay? Torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Okay? Victory, okay? Mental clarity, magkakaroon kayo ng mga idea na makakatulong sa inyo, okay? May mga sitwasyon na may hirap, but then, makakaisip kayo ng mga paraan, okay? Clarity and understanding sa sitwasyon. Flag, do not be tempted to lower your standards. Most especially sa mga tao na may na nakikipag-compete sa inyo, okay? Mga nonsense people, walang inaatupag kundi yung mga chismis or whatsoever, yung panira sa inyo, okay? Do not be carried away sa mga ginagawa nila. Thank card, celebration, fun, enjoyment, okay? So, correct. You should have fun. Celebrate sa mga achievements ninyo. You are very hardworking person. You are a successful person. Okay? For some of you, will be getting a promotion because of a very successful project. Okay? A very successful business. Nagkaroon ng clarity yung mga bagay-bagay, yung mga tanong ninyo. Nagkaroon ng mga solusyon, yung situation ninyo, yung pinoproblema ninyo. March. Okay? It might be na merong nangyari na importante nung buwan ng March. Okay? Very significant sa inyo to, yung buwan ng March. Pig. Beware of greed. Okay? For some of you, beware of greed. Yung greediness sa tinatawag. Okay? Share your blessings, Capricorn. Let's see. Number card. Tingnan natin. Oops. Okay. For some of you, kung madalas kayo nakakita ng number na 23, ito yung mensahe sa inyo. You have a zest for life and you are eager to experience anything and everything possible. You love change and excitement and need both to feel truly alive. For you, life is an adventure to be lived to the fullest. Okay? So, that's the message for you, Capricorn. Thank you so much. All the best sa inyo. See you on the next video. Bye!